Hey, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the image compare slider and add to your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example. Okay, you can see here we have the image where we added the before and after slider. And now with this code snippet, you can add multiple different image slider like this on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so you already may know that we already have another code snippet for this. Okay, for the same thing, it actually give you the option to add image compare slider to your GoHighLevel page. But this code snippet is work if you have the only one slider on your page. But if you want to add multiple different slider like this, okay, then you need to use the updated code snippet. Okay, so this is the updated code snippet from the previous version of this. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. Okay, it's pretty easy and simple code snippet. You can see here I just added the code snippet by copying from our GHL code snippet library. Okay, you can see this just for the simple code, and you can implement it very easily into your GoHighLevel page. Let me show you how you can do this. Okay, so first of all you need to get your images. Okay, so I mean the before and after images. So let me pick that images. For example, I'm going to use this image. Okay, so I'm going to use these two images. Okay, so let me add this one. This is the before image. Okay, there's the before image, and this one is the after image. Okay, so yeah, this is the after image. Let me add the before image also. Just get your image. You can also upload your image by clicking this link. Okay, yeah, but I already uploaded, so I'm going to use that image. Okay, now this is my before image and this is the after image. Okay, so what I need to do, I just need to copy the image URL from here. Okay, you can see when you click the image, then it will show you the URL. Okay, yeah, just copy that image URL and go back to your port, and then just replace this URL. Okay, and then do the same thing for the before image. I'm going to add this as my before image, and you can also use the alt tag for your image. Okay, so now what I need to do, just copy this code snippet. As I already added my image, you don't need to touch anything else into the code snippet. Okay, so all you just need to add your images. Okay, the two images, the before image and the after image, and after that just copy the code snippet and go back to your GoHighLevel and then delete the previous images you edit, and now open the code editor. Okay, you can get the code editor by clicking here. This is the option. Okay, after that I'm going to put this code snippet here. Okay, so very simple, easy way to do this. Just do it. Okay, so let me delete the previous one, and then I'm going to publish the page. Well, the page published, and now I'm going to preview this. Okay, so you can see here I have added the before and after image for the selected image I just showed, and it's working just fine. Okay, so if you want to add some margin right, then you can also do that by clicking here. Okay, that will actually add an extra gap. Okay, let me preview it again. Just reload the page. You can see I just added some gap. You can do anything else you want based on your design needed, but this is how you can apply the code snippet. Okay, so it's very easy and simple code snippet. All you just need to replace your images, and you will get the code snippet right below this video into our GHL code snippet members area. But if you're watching from YouTube, then you may not get the code snippet right below the video. All you just need to sign up for your membership. Okay, we have both free and paid membership, but this code snippet is especially the part of our premium code snippet library. So if you want to use this, then you need to upgrade your GHL SaasKits account. But if you want to use our free code snippets or free resources, then you can join our GHL SaasKits community, which is completely free. And into the learning tab, you will get the GHL code snippet basic version, which is the free version. Here you will get the limited edition of code snippets we have, and also if you want to use our premium code snippet, then you need to upgrade your account. You will get the option here, okay? Or you can do the same thing for by going to our website GHLSaasKits.com. And one more thing I want to mention here, into the community, you can ask anything you have in your mind, or if you want to get any new code snippet, or if you have something in your mind that you want to convert that into a code snippet, or you want to add a features, then you can write your request here. And also you can get our tutorials or anything else we are sharing into the community. You can also get everything for free. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, thank you again for watching this video. Have a nice day.